The 2012 Volkswagen Jetta. Powered by a turbo diesel 2-liter engine. With a 6-speed manual transmission with overdrive, this front-wheel drive sedan, with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Volkswagen features multi-disc CD player, traction control, and premium wheels. Safety features include front and rear side airbags, 4-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include heated seats, Bluetooth wireless, and Sirius satellite radio. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at Barber Volkswagen, a Carfax Advantage dealer.